before us. We are the sound of a beautiful chorus, holding to